Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook to actually display information on your screens that gets pulled from your Facebook account. Now, keep in mind that when you have a Facebook account, you have to create a Facebook page under your account to be able to retrieve the information from that page. That includes both the wall, the feed, the videos, and the albums and photos. Now, the cool thing about this component is that it is fully customizable. You can use the scene editor and really place the elements anywhere you want within a scene. Now, to do this, it is required to create a Facebook app. It's not difficult, but it is a bit of a long process, but don't worry, you can just follow me and create your own app, copy the token, and use your token to display Facebook information in your digital signage. So with that, let's begin. So the first thing I did was I went ahead and logged into my Facebook account. This is just a test Facebook account that I use. And of course, you're going to log into your real Facebook account. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a page. Now, this is the page that we're going to pull all the information from. So essentially, you do want to create a page where you can share this page and the information on that page through your screens. So we can go ahead and click over here on the drop down and click on Create Page. And next, we'll select Company Organization. And you can pick any field here. Company name, we're going to go with this, our test 123. Click on Get Started. All pretty standard stuff. Save info. Let's go ahead and upload an image as well. And here we created a page. You can see that we have our wall. Let's go do a couple of posts. Maybe one more. Also a video. So essentially we created a sample page with a wall feed, some photos and posts, including images, text, and video. And so the next thing that we're going to want to do is simply make sure that we can share this page. And to do this, we need to create an app and a token. So go ahead and close this. So here we're going to developers.facebook.com. Click on My Apps, Add New App. Click on Basic Setup. Provide your display name. The contact email, your category, and click on Create the App. Next, go ahead and open a new tab in your browser and go to developers.facebook.com/tools/explorer. Select from the drop-down the app that you just created. Select Get Token and Get User Token. And here you'll need to simply select all the fields. Just click one by one on all the checkboxes. Select Get Access Token. Go ahead and click on OK. Again, OK. And the third time. Here you can see the token that you created on top. Go ahead and click on the blue icon to pull up this drop down, and you'll see the expiration time of the token you just created. Next, go ahead and click on Open Access Token and click on Extend Access Token. Next, go ahead and revisit again developers.facebook.com/tools/explorer. Scroll over here and select the app again. I'm going to go ahead and select my test 6, and over here go ahead and change to /accounts. And you'll notice that you have this long token here. Now the reason why you want to use this token is that it may actually last longer than 2 months. Often it will not expire at all. So this will be the token that you want to use inside the application. You can see the different categories. You want to pick the category that you've selected earlier. So I'll just go ahead and select the first one. Just select the entire token without the double quotes. Right click and copy. So this is going to be the token that we're going to use in the Studio Pro. I went ahead and switched to my enterprise account since the Facebook is part of the enterprise edition, so you need to subscribe to the reseller account. You see that right now into the media store, and I'm looking at not installed, so I have Facebook not installed, so I'll go ahead and make sure that I click on install now. And also for the JSON player, we need that as well, so click on install now and go ahead and switch into our Studio Pro. So here I have a Facebook campaign, just a regular campaign, nothing special about it, and I have my channels assigned, and you see that there's nothing really on channel 0. So I'll switch over to my scene editor and I'll go ahead and create a new scene, and I'll make sure I call this my Facebook scene, and I'm going to go to components, look at my JSON type, see there's a JSON item over here. So these JSON items are going to represent my Facebook elements, and they could be different elements, and I'll show you just a sec. Change the colors. And of course, you can use this any way you want, any font, any location, really flexible, really having the power of scenes if you want to do transitions, special 3D animation between the elements. All that is very simple to do. So really the most important thing is to select the background, select the actual scene. You can do this just by clicking on the checkers or select Facebook scene over here and go over here to the MIME type. And you want to make sure to tell the system that this is going to be a Facebook, and you can tell Facebook videos, wall, or album. Remember, this will point directly to the actual page, not to the Facebook account, but the page under the Facebook account. And of course, you can do everything you can do in Facebook on that page. You can do add friends, and you can create feeds and post videos, and just as I showed in the beginning. So here we're going to go select the Facebook wall. And you'll notice that because I select Facebook wall, and if I select on a particular item, a JSON item, as I showed you, I will have field that I can map to. I can, for example, map to a text, just the text of the feed information on the wall, and I can make sure that this guy is the image. So this is for the wall information. Now, if I go ahead and select the background again, and this time I'm going to go ahead and select Facebook, for example, videos, then you'll see that the properties here are going to be different. I have description and video. So it really depends on the MIME type for the scene as far as which elements or which fields you'll be able to select for each particular JSON item. Just to demonstrate the Facebook album, you'll see that as soon as I select a particular field, I can select the picture. So just for the demo of this video, we'll go ahead and make sure that we select the wall. Map the fields. We'll switch back to our timeline, switch over here to scenes, select our Facebook scene, drag and drop it, and double click on it to load up its properties. And notice over here we have the token field. Now remember, we have the token that we created, the non-expiring token, so we'll go ahead and paste it here. Now you'll notice as soon as I double click on the component, on the Facebook component, we see our text. It's gray because I actually selected the gray as the color, and we have a snapshot of the video I uploaded. If I go ahead and click on play, actually let's go ahead and reduce this to 2 seconds, so it's going to flip through the wall items every 2 seconds, one after the other, and you can see that it does this beautifully. And this is because we set the slideshow. You can select only the first item if you took this out, but we actually want to flip through the actual Facebook items. And let's go ahead and play the whole presentation. So this is my video right here. Here's my pizza image. Here's my test. And let's go back to my Facebook page just to confirm what my feed, my wall looks like. And you can see that here's a snapshot of the image we uploaded, test company, and we have the test 123 company and the pizza. And you can see that we're grabbing real information from Facebook in real time. And just for fun, let's go ahead and do this. Go ahead and stop this. Switch back over here. I'm going to go. This is our final test, and post it, and it's posted. Switch back to my studio. So I went ahead and made just a few minor changes to my scene, so it looks a little bit better. Let's go ahead and click on play, and you can see that we see this is our final test, and this is the snapshot of the video, the pizza image. So everything works as expected and updated in real time. Now the last thing I want to do is just show you that we also are able to add transitions to this as well, and go ahead and select our pool for transitions. If you don't know what the transitions are or how to set them up, I do recommend you watch the video tutorial for that. Go ahead and click on play. And you can see that we have nice transition between every item within Facebook. And that's it. It was pretty easy to set up, very flexible, and gives you real live data feed from Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and thanks for watching. text.